Today I'm going to teach you how to change your Amazon profile picture. This is a quick way to personalize your account and make it easier to identify yourself when shopping or managing family settings. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your account. This will bring you to the main Amazon homepage where you can start making changes to your profile. Next, hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear with various options related to your account settings. From this menu, click on Account. This takes you to your main account hub where you can manage everything from orders to family settings. Now click on your Amazon family. This section is specifically designed for managing family profiles and settings, which is where you'll find the option to update profile pictures for different members. Once you're in the Amazon family section, click on the profile you want to change the profile picture for. This could be your own profile or another family member's profile that you manage. Selecting the profile will open up more detailed settings for that specific account. Look for the profile picture area, and right beside it you'll see an option that says Edit Profile Picture. Click on that to begin the process of updating the image. This is where you'll have full control over changing how the profile appears across Amazon. A new window or section will appear. Click on Change Profile Photo to proceed. This action will prompt your device to open a file browser, allowing you to select a new image from your computer or device. Browse through your folders and select your preferred profile picture. Take your time to find an image that represents you well or matches the profile you're updating. Once you've found the right image, click Open. This will upload the selected photo to Amazon's system. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. Amazon will process the new profile picture and update it across your account. You should see the new image reflected immediately or within a few moments. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Amazon profile picture. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.